Did you know that the human body is made up of 206 bones and over 600 muscles? When we engage in physical exercise, our cardiovascular system works hard to pump blood and oxygen to these muscles, increasing our heart rate and improving circulation. In fact, regular exercise can reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 50%. The respiratory system also benefits from physical activity, with the lungs becoming more efficient at taking in oxygen and removing carbon dioxide. Additionally, exercise triggers the release of endorphins, often referred to as feel-good hormones, which can help reduce stress and improve mood. These fascinating facts highlight the intricate ways in which our bodies respond to the demands of sports and physical activity. The human body is a marvel of biological engineering, comprised of multiple intricate systems that work together to maintain our health and well-being. The skeletal system provides structure and support, with an adult human body containing 206 bones that serve as the framework for our muscles and organs. Our muscular system consists of over 600 muscles, each with its own specific function and role in movement. The cardiovascular system, which includes the heart and blood vessels, is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen to cells. Did you know that the heart beats around 100,000 times a day, pumping approximately 2,000 gallons of blood? The respiratory system, composed of the lungs and airways, facilitates the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide, with an average adult taking about 12 to 20 breaths per minute at rest. The nervous system, our body's communication network, transmits signals between the brain and the rest of the body at lightning speed, allowing us to move, think, and feel. The endocrine system, which includes glands like the pituitary and adrenal glands, regulates hormones that control various bodily functions, such as metabolism and stress response. Our immune system defends against pathogens and foreign invaders, with white blood cells constantly patrolling our bodies to keep us healthy. These systems work in harmony to maintain homeostasis, the body's internal balance, and adapt to the demands of physical exercise and sports. Physical exercise has profound effects on the cardiovascular system, enhancing its function and promoting overall heart health. When we engage in activities like running, cycling, or swimming, our heart rate increases to meet the oxygen demands of our muscles. This increased heart rate is a result of the sympathetic nervous system releasing adrenaline, also known as the fight or flight hormone, which stimulates the heart to beat faster. In fact, during intense exercise, the heart can pump up to 25 liters of blood per minute, compared to the resting rate of about 5 liters per minute. This increased blood flow delivers more oxygen and nutrients to the muscles, allowing them to work efficiently and effectively. Regular physical activity can also lead to structural changes in the heart, such as an increase in the size and strength of the cardiac muscles. Athletes who engage in endurance sports like marathon running may have larger hearts with thicker walls, a condition known as athlete's heart. Despite the similarities with certain heart conditions, athlete's heart is a healthy adaptation to exercise and does not pose any risks to cardiovascular health. Additionally, exercise can help lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Studies have shown that individuals who engage in regular physical activity have a lower resting heart rate, indicating that their hearts are more efficient at pumping blood. Furthermore, exercise can improve the function of the endothelium, the inner lining of blood vessels, promoting better blood flow and reducing the risk of atherosclerosis, or the buildup of plaque in the arteries. The benefits of exercise on the cardiovascular system extend beyond the heart itself. Physical activity can also improve vascular function, increasing the flexibility and dilation of blood vessels. This enhanced vascular health can lead to better circulation and lower the risk of conditions like peripheral artery disease. Moreover, exercise can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. The cardiovascular benefits of physical exercise are not limited to high-intensity activities. Even moderate exercise, such as brisk walking or gardening, can have a positive impact on heart health. The American Heart Association recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week to maintain cardiovascular health. By incorporating regular physical activity into our daily routines, we can support our cardiovascular system, reduce the risk of heart disease, and improve overall well-being. Physical exercise has a significant impact on the respiratory system, enhancing its efficiency and capacity. When we engage in activities that increase our heart rate and demand more oxygen, our respiratory system responds by working harder to meet these needs. During exercise, our breathing rate and depth increase to take in more oxygen and expel carbon dioxide. The average adult takes about 12 to 20 breaths per minute at rest, but during intense exercise, this rate can increase to over 60 breaths per minute. This rapid breathing allows for a greater exchange of gases in the lungs, ensuring that our muscles receive an adequate oxygen supply. Interestingly, elite athletes can have even higher breathing rates, with some endurance athletes reaching up to 100 breaths per minute during intense competition. The respiratory system also adapts to exercise by improving the efficiency of oxygen uptake in the lungs. Regular physical activity can increase lung capacity, allowing us to take in more air with each breath. This enhanced lung function is particularly beneficial for endurance athletes who rely on sustained oxygen delivery during long-distance events. Studies have shown that athletes like swimmers and long-distance runners often have larger lung volumes compared to sedentary individuals, enabling them to extract more oxygen from each breath. Additionally, exercise can strengthen the respiratory muscles, such as the diaphragm and intercostal muscles, which play a crucial role in breathing. By training these muscles through activities like running or cycling, we can improve respiratory muscle endurance and reduce the effort required for breathing. This can lead to increased exercise tolerance and better performance in aerobic activities. Furthermore, physical activity can help improve the overall health of the respiratory system. Regular exercise has been shown to reduce the risk of respiratory conditions like asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. In individuals with asthma, exercise can help improve lung function and reduce symptoms like wheezing and shortness of breath. For patients with COPD, structured exercise programs have been found to enhance exercise capacity and quality of life. The benefits of exercise on the respiratory system extend beyond performance and health. Physical activity can also have a positive impact on mental well-being, reducing stress and anxiety levels. The rhythmic breathing patterns associated with activities like yoga and Tai Chi can promote relaxation and mindfulness, benefiting both the respiratory system and overall mental health. By incorporating regular physical activity that challenges and strengthens the respiratory system, we can improve lung function, enhance exercise performance, and support overall well-being. Physical activity not only strengthens our muscles, but also induces remarkable changes in the musculoskeletal system. When we engage in weight-bearing exercises like running or weightlifting, our bones respond by becoming denser and stronger. This increase in bone density is crucial for preventing conditions like osteoporosis, a disease characterized by weak and brittle bones. Studies have shown that regular exercise, particularly resistance training, can significantly improve bone mineral density, reducing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. In fact, weight-bearing exercises have been found to be more effective in enhancing bone health than non-weight-bearing activities. Additionally, physical activity can promote the growth of new bone tissue, a process known as bone remodeling. During bone remodeling, specialized cells called osteoblasts build new bone, while osteoclasts break down old bone. Exercise stimulates this dynamic process, leading to stronger and more resilient bones. The musculoskeletal system also undergoes changes in response to different types of physical activity. Endurance exercises like cycling or swimming primarily target slow-twitch muscle fibers, which are responsible for sustained contractions over long periods. In contrast, strength training exercises like weightlifting focus on fast-twitch muscle fibers, which generate powerful but short bursts of force. By incorporating a variety of exercises into our workout routines, we can target different muscle fiber types and promote overall muscle balance and strength. Interestingly, The human body is composed of over 600 muscles, each with its own unique function and characteristics. Skeletal muscles, which are attached to bones by tendons, work together to facilitate movement and support the body's structure. During exercise, muscles undergo microscopic damage and inflammation, triggering a repair and growth process. This process, known as muscle hypertrophy, involves the synthesis of new proteins and the enlargement of muscle fibers. Over time, regular exercise can lead to increases in muscle mass and strength, a phenomenon often observed in athletes and fitness enthusiasts. The benefits of exercise on the musculoskeletal system extend beyond physical appearance and strength. Strong muscles and bones are essential for maintaining balance, stability, and mobility, especially as we age. By engaging in regular physical activity that challenges and strengthens our muscles and bones, we can improve overall musculoskeletal health and reduce the risk of injuries and age-related conditions. In essence, exercise is not only a means to enhance physical fitness, but also a powerful tool for optimizing the health and function of our musculoskeletal system. During exercise, our bodies undergo a complex interplay of hormonal responses that help regulate various physiological processes. One key hormone that is released during physical activity is cortisol, often referred to as the stress hormone. While cortisol is typically associated with stress, it plays a crucial role in mobilizing energy stores and reducing inflammation during exercise. Interestingly, cortisol levels tend to peak in the early morning, making it an essential hormone for kick-starting our day and providing the energy needed for morning workouts. Another hormone that is released during exercise is adrenaline, also known as epinephrine. Adrenaline is responsible for the fight-or-flight response, increasing heart rate and blood flow to muscles to prepare the body for intense physical exertion. This surge of adrenaline can enhance performance and focus, enabling athletes to push their limits during competitions. Additionally, exercise triggers the release of endorphins, our body's natural painkillers and mood elevators. Endorphins are responsible for the runner's high often experienced during prolonged or intense exercise, creating a sense of euphoria and well-being. Studies have shown that regular exercise can lead to increased endorphin production, contributing to improved mental health and reduced perception of pain. Hormones like insulin and growth hormone also play essential roles in response to exercise. Insulin helps regulate blood sugar levels, ensuring that muscles receive the energy needed for contraction. Growth hormone, on the other hand, promotes muscle growth and repair, particularly after strength training sessions. These hormonal responses to exercise are finely tuned to support our body's needs during physical activity, highlighting the intricate ways in which our hormones influence performance and recovery. Nutrition plays a crucial role in sports performance, providing the fuel and nutrients needed to support physical activity and optimize recovery. Athletes often have higher energy and nutrient requirements than sedentary individuals due to the demands of training and competition. For example, endurance athletes may require up to 10 grams of carbohydrates per kilogram of body weight per day to maintain glycogen stores and sustain energy levels during long-distance events. Protein is another essential nutrient for athletes, as it plays a key role in muscle repair and growth. Research suggests that athletes involved in strength training may benefit from consuming around 1.2 to 2.0 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day to support muscle recovery and adaptation. Hydration is also critical for sports performance, as even mild dehydration can impair exercise capacity and cognitive function. Athletes are advised to drink fluids before, during, and after exercise to maintain optimal hydration levels. In addition to macronutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, micronutrients such as vitamins and minerals are essential for overall health and performance. For example, iron is crucial for oxygen transport in the blood, and athletes with low iron levels may experience fatigue and decreased performance. Interestingly, research has shown that tart cherry juice, rich in antioxidants, may help reduce muscle soreness and inflammation after intense exercise. These findings highlight the importance of a well-balanced diet that meets the specific nutritional needs of athletes to enhance performance and recovery. Recovery and rest are essential components of any exercise routine, allowing the body to repair and adapt to the physical demands of training. During exercise, muscle fibers undergo microscopic damage and inflammation, triggering a process of repair and growth during rest periods. This adaptation process is crucial for building strength and endurance over time. Interestingly, the majority of muscle repair and growth occurs during sleep, particularly during the deep, slow-wave stages of the sleep cycle. Research has shown that inadequate sleep can impair muscle recovery and performance, highlighting the importance of quality rest for athletes. In fact, elite athletes often prioritize sleep as a key component of their training regimen, aiming for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Additionally, active recovery strategies like light exercise, stretching, and foam rolling can help reduce muscle soreness and improve circulation, promoting faster recovery between training sessions. The concept of periodization, which involves varying training intensity and volume over time, also includes planned rest periods to prevent overtraining and allow for optimal recovery. Studies have shown that incorporating rest days into training programs can lead to better performance and reduce the risk of injuries. Furthermore, nutrition plays a critical role in post-exercise recovery, with the consumption of carbohydrates and proteins immediately after workouts helping to replenish glycogen stores and support muscle repair. Athletes often follow a golden hour rule, aiming to consume a balanced meal or snack within 60 minutes of exercise to maximize recovery. By prioritizing rest, sleep, and nutrition alongside training, athletes can optimize their recovery process, enhance performance, and reduce the risk of burnout and overtraining. Regular physical activity offers a myriad of benefits beyond just physical fitness. Did you know that exercise can improve cognitive function and memory? Studies have shown that regular aerobic exercise can lead to increased brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports the growth and maintenance of neurons. Additionally, physical activity can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes and certain types of cancer. In fact, the World Health Organization recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week to lower the risk of these conditions. Furthermore, exercise has been linked to improved mental health, with physical activity releasing endorphins that can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. By incorporating regular exercise into our routines, we can not only improve our physical health, but also enhance our cognitive function and emotional well-being. Did you know that regular physical activity can increase lifespan by up to 7 years? Studies have shown that individuals who engage in at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week have a lower risk of premature death. Additionally, exercise can improve sleep quality, with active individuals experiencing deeper and more restorative sleep cycles. Interestingly, the human body is composed of over 600 muscles, each with its own unique function and characteristics. By incorporating a variety of exercises that target different muscle groups, we can promote overall muscle balance and strength. Furthermore, physical activity can enhance immune function, reducing the risk of infections and illnesses. The benefits of regular exercise extend far beyond physical fitness, encompassing mental health, cognitive function, and overall well-being.